If you're here, you've probably noticed this little icon on your Windows 11 desktop that says, "Learn more about this picture." It's part of the Windows Spotlight feature, which rotates your wallpaper daily. But sometimes it's just annoying. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, click on the Start menu and type Settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus I to open the Settings app directly. Once you're in Settings, go to the Personalization tab on the left-hand menu. This is where you can control all your desktop appearance options, including wallpapers. Now, click on Background. You'll see that the Windows Spotlight option is selected as your background. This is what's causing that "Learn more about this picture" icon to appear. To remove the icon, simply change the background to either picture or slideshow. Choose a picture, and voila! The icon is gone. And that's it. Now your desktop is clutter-free, and you can enjoy your wallpaper without any distractions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.